What if I told you that any video you shoot could be turned into a stunning 3D masterpiece? Imagine watching your favorite movies or your own holiday videos and being able to explore every scene in 3 dimensions. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today we're diving into DepthCrafter, a groundbreaking AI model that's revolutionizing how we perceive and interact with video content. This isn't just another incremental advance in video processing, it's a quantum leap that could change everything from filmmaking to robotics. Stay tuned, because we're about to take a deep dive into the technology that's turning flat videos into immersive 3D experiences. At its core, DepthCrafter is an AI model designed to estimate depth in videos. But it's not just any depth estimation tool, it's a game changer in the field of computer vision. DepthCrafter can take any open-world video, whether it's a blockbuster movie scene or a shaky clip from your smartphone, and generate a highly accurate, temporally consistent depth map for every single frame. It's like giving your AI a pair of 3D glasses that work on any video content. But here's where DepthCrafter truly innovates. It doesn't need any additional information like camera positions, motion data, or even optical flow. It works its magic using just the video itself. This is a huge leap forward in making depth estimation accessible and applicable to virtually any video content out there. What's more, DepthCrafter isn't limited to short clips. It can handle variable length videos and even extremely long sequences by processing them in smart, overlapping segments. This means it can potentially tackle feature-length films or hours-long surveillance footage with the same level of accuracy and consistency. By combining the power of video diffusion models with a clever training strategy, DepthCrafter is opening up a world of possibilities in fields ranging from virtual reality and filmmaking to autonomous navigation and beyond. It's not just estimating depth, it's adding a new dimension to how we interact with video content. To understand the significance of DepthCrafter, we first need to grasp the challenges in video depth estimation. Imagine trying to navigate a room blindfolded. That's essentially what we're asking computers to do when estimating depth from 2D videos. The fundamental problem is this. When we capture a video with a single camera, we're compressing a 3-dimensional world into a 2-dimensional representation. We lose critical depth information in the process. It's like trying to understand the shape of a building from just one photograph. There's a lot we can't see. Add to this the complexities of the real world, objects moving at different speeds, reflective surfaces, varying lighting conditions, and intricate details. And you start to see why video depth estimation is such a tough nut to crack. Now let's look at the limitations of existing methods. Many current approaches rely on additional information like camera poses or optical flow. Some require multiple cameras or specialized depth sensors. These work well in controlled environments but fall short in the diverse, unpredictable world of open-world videos. Even when these methods work, they often struggle with temporal consistency, that is, maintaining accurate depth information from frame to frame. This can result in flickering or inconsistent depth maps, which is a huge problem for applications like VR or film post-production. DepthCrafter tackles these challenges head-on. It doesn't need extra information or specialized hardware. It can handle the diversity of open-world videos, from professional film footage to shaky smartphone videos. And it maintains temporal consistency, providing smooth, accurate depth maps across entire sequences. It's a single, versatile solution to a complex, multifaceted problem. At the heart of DepthCrafter lies a powerful AI technique called video diffusion models. These models work by gradually adding noise to data and then learning to reverse this process, allowing them to generate new high-quality content. DepthCrafter adapts this technique for video depth estimation. It learns to generate depth information that's consistent with the input video, frame by frame. The researchers employed a clever 3-stage training strategy. In the first stage, they train on synthetic data with precise depth information. The second stage introduces real-world video data for diversity. Finally, the third stage fine-tunes the model to handle longer sequences. To handle extremely long videos, DepthCrafter uses a smart segmentation approach. It processes the video in overlapping chunks and then stitches these segments together seamlessly, allowing it to generate consistent depth maps for videos of any length. One of DepthCrafter's key features is its ability to handle variable length videos. Whether it's a 5-second TikTok or a 2-hour movie, the model can adapt and process it effectively. Unlike many existing methods, DepthCrafter doesn't need additional information like camera poses or optical flow. It works its magic using just the video itself, making it incredibly versatile and easy to use in various scenarios. Perhaps most impressively, DepthCrafter maintains temporal consistency. This means the depth information remains stable and accurate from frame to frame, even with moving objects or camera motion. This is crucial for applications like VR or film post-production, where flickering or inconsistent depth would be very noticeable. By combining these features, variable length processing, no need for additional data, and temporal consistency, DepthCrafter offers a robust, versatile solution for video depth estimation across a wide range of applications and video types. Let's explore some exciting real-world applications of DepthCrafter. In virtual and augmented reality, this technology could transform any video into an immersive 3D experience. Imagine watching your favorite movies or reliving your vacation videos in a fully three-dimensional space. For the film industry, DepthCrafter could revolutionize special effects. It would allow filmmakers to add complex 3D effects or adjust lighting in post-production with unprecedented ease and realism, potentially reducing production costs and expanding creative possibilities. In the realm of autonomous vehicles and robotics, accurate depth perception is crucial. DepthCrafter could enhance navigation and object recognition in complex, real-world environments, potentially improving safety and performance. For content creators, this technology opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine easily adding 3D effects to your vlogs or creating depth-based transitions in your videos, all without needing specialized equipment. Now, let's take a critical look at DepthCrafter. First, the computational requirements. Processing videos, especially long ones, likely requires significant computing power. This might limit its immediate accessibility for average users or real-time applications. We also need to consider real-world performance. While the paper shows impressive results, we'll need to see how it performs on a wider range of real-world videos, especially those with complex motions or unusual scenes that weren't part of the training data. Finally, for DepthCrafter to be truly revolutionary, it'll need to integrate smoothly with current video editing and VFX software. This integration process could be complex and might require significant updates to existing workflows. While DepthCrafter represents a significant leap forward in video depth estimation, it's important to approach it with both excitement and critical thinking. Its potential is vast, but so too are the challenges it must overcome to become a widely adopted tool in various industries. Let's compare DepthCrafter to existing methods. Traditional approaches often rely on multiple cameras, depth sensors, or additional data like camera poses. DepthCrafter's ability to work with just a single video input is a game changer in terms of simplicity and accessibility. Another key advantage is temporal consistency. Many existing methods struggle to maintain accurate depth information across frames, leading to flickering or inconsistent results. DepthCrafter excels here, providing smooth, consistent depth maps even for long video sequences. DepthCrafter also shows remarkable generalization ability, performing well across a wide range of video types and scenes. This versatility is a significant improvement over specialized methods that might excel in specific scenarios but struggle in others. However, it's important to note potential limitations. The computational requirements might be higher than some simpler methods, potentially leading to longer processing times for very long or high-resolution videos. Additionally, while DepthCrafter shows impressive results, it may still face challenges with extreme scenarios that are underrepresented in its training data, such as very rapid motion or unusual lighting conditions. Looking to the future, the potential impact of this technology is vast. In the film industry, it could streamline post-production processes and enable new creative possibilities. For virtual and augmented reality, it could make creating immersive experiences faster and more accessible. As for future developments, we might see improvements in real-time processing, enabling live depth estimation for applications like autonomous driving or augmented reality. Integration with other AI models could lead to even more powerful tools for scene understanding and manipulation. We might also see this technology miniaturized and integrated into everyday devices, potentially revolutionizing how we interact with and capture the world around us. The possibilities are truly exciting, and DepthCrafter represents a significant step towards this 3D-enabled future. While there are challenges to overcome, such as computational requirements and performance in extreme scenarios, the future implications of this technology are truly exciting. We might be looking at a future where 3D perception is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. But what do you think? How do you see this technology impacting your life or industry? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have concerns about its implementation? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your ideas, questions, or concerns in the comments below. How would you use this technology if you had access to it today? What future applications can you imagine? DepthCrafter is adding a new dimension to video, literally. Until next time, keep exploring the dimensions of technology.